And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share.
What's up everyone, my name is Jasper, welcome to Vegan Pizza. To begin, we're gonna have 250 grams of flour and add that to a big bowl. And then we're gonna take some water, 150 milliliters to be exact, and it has to be warm, hand warm. And we're gonna add some sugar, a tablespoon, and we're gonna add like 3.5 grams of yeast. And then we're gonna mix it together and add it to the bowl. Next up is some salt, but don't be too salty. And 3 spoons of oil. Now we're gonna use olive oil because it's an Italian recipe. And then we're gonna mix it into a ball. Once everything is stuck together into a ball, it's ready. Which means you can take it out, fill the bowl with some oil, and then cover the ball with the oil inside the bowl, and put some plastic over the bowl, so you can let it rest for about an hour. Now after 1 hour it's ready, so you can prepare your surface with some flour or some oil, it's up to you. Once it's done, you can take the ball out and you can spread it a little and make a new ball out of it. Make that a little flat so it's a pizza shape, and cover that again with plastic while it's on the baking plate, with some baking paper of course. Next up, you can cut up the onions and the garlic and put it in the pan. And get that cooking while we prepare the tomatoes. Now, tomato sauce usually can be prepared inside the pan, but when I'm using it for pizza, I like to use it in the blender, because then you can make it really smooth without any chunks or whatever. Of course, when you're trying to film, the blender is gonna be a bitch, so you gotta fight your blender.
This is my favorite part, right here. Let's go.
There we go. And then you just add that to the onions. Now at first it looks a little bit weird, but once you get the cooking and the water gets out, it will be better. So we can now continue with the pizza. Make it into a true pizza. Create the pizza. Nice. It's already looking better, see? Now to make it even more perfect, we're going to add some tomato puree. And then you can just fill up the pizza with the sauce, just spread it all out there. Everything you have left you can just stuff in the fridge and use later. Next up, add some mushrooms. Really add them everywhere. We like mushrooms. Can you tell? And then we're gonna spread some corn over there. And last but not least, paprika, or sweet pepper. And then we just add the sweet pepper. And we're gonna finish the job, because you always gotta finish the job, with some Italian herbs. And some salt. And pop her in the oven. 15 minutes, 220 degrees, and that's it. Just make sure the crust is hard, and that's how you know it's done. That's it. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and for more, please subscribe. See you next time. Peace. Purée.